In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to a Wrike project. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Wrike account and that you have access to the project where you want to add someone. In this example, we'll be working inside a project in the campaign management area, but the process will be the same for most projects in Wrike. First, navigate to the project you're working on. From your Wrike Workspace, open the space or folder where your campaigns or projects are organized, and then select the specific project you want to share. You should see the main project view with your tasks laid out, whether that's in a table, list, or another view type. Once your project is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Share option. This is usually located near the project title or in the toolbar at the top. Click on Share. This is where you control who has access to the project and what level of access they have. When the sharing panel opens, you'll see different ways to share the project and a list of who currently has access. Here, you'll want to focus on the area that allows you to share the project with specific users or groups. If there's a highlighted section or a field that looks like it's ready for names or emails, click into that to activate it. Next, look for the option called My Team. Clicking on My Team will show you the people and groups that are part of your organization in Wrike. This is helpful if the person you want to add is already in your Wrike account because you can quickly search for them by name and add them from this list instead of typing in full email addresses. After selecting My Team, click on the highlighted field again where you can specify who to invite. Here you can either choose from the existing team members that appear or prepare to invite someone new. To add someone who is not yet in your Wrike account, select Invite by Email. This will open a field where you can type the email address of the person you want to add to the project. After entering their email, choose the appropriate access level, like full access, editor, or viewer, depending on what they need to do in the project, and then send the invitation. Once you've done that, your new team member will receive an invite and, after accepting, they'll appear in the project's shared list and can start collaborating with you.